Hi friends, myself Premon Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I am here to present you how to install a new printer to the post PC. For that, you must connect the printer to the PC using a USB cable. I just using a USB cable and I just connect that by verifying the USB port is workable. Then I am just going to the applications and then go to Sundry and print settings. Now you can see here there is a new pop-up window and on the right side there is an unlock. Click on the unlock and put the administrator password here, otherwise you cannot install a printer. Okay, then just click to add. Now you can see here it recognized my printer and I am just clicking on that. Now you can see here two options, HP Linux imaging and printing and USB. Both are workable. If you have an internet connection, then you can select USB and both are workable. I'm just clicking on forward. It will take a while to connect or to upgrade the files for the printer. Now you can see here, if you want to change the name of the printer, then you can change that. I'm just using that. Okay, I'm just clicking on printer test page. Now you can see here it is working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. You can see, you can hear the sound of the printer is working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.